Your car is talking to you. The question is, are you listening? Warning lights don't mean panic, they mean clues. At SR Smash Solutions, we don't guess, we decode. Modern vehicles are basically computers on wheels, and every issue leaves a digital footprint. No more trial and error, no unnecessary part replacements, just precise, accurate answers. Electronic diagnostics saves you time, money, and stress. Because in today's cars, the problem you see isn't always the problem you have. Trust the technology, trust the experts.